If you want to create a global creative color shift across your entire canvas in Photopea, then this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to change hue the easy way. This is a great technique if you want to experiment with different moods, create stylized edits, or simply make your image look more dramatic and eye-catching. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure your project is already open inside Photopea. You should see your image on the canvas, and over on the right side of the screen, you'll find your Layers panel. This is where all of your edits and adjustments are managed, so we're going to work from here. At the bottom of the Layers panel, look for the New Adjustment Layer button. It looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. This button is one of the most useful tools in Photopea because it lets you make non-destructive edits, which means your original image stays untouched while you test different looks. Click that button, and from the menu that appears, choose Hue and Saturation. As soon as you select it, a Properties panel will open, usually right above your layers. This is where you can control the color shift and make precise changes to the overall appearance of your image. Now, in that Properties panel, find the Hue Slider. This is the setting that changes the overall color tone of your image. Drag the slider left or right and watch what happens in real time. You'll see the entire canvas shift across the color wheel. Blues can turn into greens, reds can shift into purples, and yellows can move into oranges or other tones depending on how far you drag. The best part is that this adjustment affects the full image, so it's perfect for creating a consistent creative look. If you want a subtle change, move the slider only a little. If you want a bold artistic effect, drag it further and see how dramatic the results can be. Because it's an adjustment layer, you can always come back later and change the hue again without starting over. If needed, you can also use the saturation and lightness sliders in the same panel to fine-tune the final result. Saturation controls how intense the colors look, while lightness can make the image brighter or darker. But if your main goal is just to change the Hue Slider is the one you want to focus on. This method is especially useful for creating social media graphics, stylized portraits, background changes, and fast color experiments without permanently editing the original image. It's simple, clean, and very beginner-friendly. So just to recap, open the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer button, choose Hue and Saturation, then drag the Hue Slider until you get the color shift you want. That's all it takes to change hue in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.